Alam niyang ginawa niya na yung best niya. Ang galing ng asawa ko. I'm so proud already. Hindi ako makatayo para kumilos. So, tama yan. Isa pa. Isa pa. Huh! Isa pa! Parang ako nagcha-challenge. 3 points lang, please. Please, na-stress na ako. Kung sino may hawak ng bola, bantayan lahat ng kalaban. Naging coach! Mali talaga nanonood ako ng laro ni Daddy. Dapat yan, pinitignan ko na lang yung score eh. Nai-stress ako. Are you going to give Mommy water? Thank you for the water. Is Mommy stressed?
No.
No? Kiss Mommy. Love you. Thank you for the water. Okay lang yan, Daddy. Gwapo ka naman.
Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy! You're my best dada!
Aww. Talo ng dalawa. Ay, very good game, mahal. Proud of you. Manalo, matalo, proud of you. You kill it, mahal. Nice game pa din. Daddy Ray got 21 points. Talo lang silang dalawa, but it's okay. Galing ng pinakita ng asawa ko.